Hello, Rogers High School parents, students, community members, whoever you choose to share this with. I welcome you to this brand new school year, the year of 2018. I made a real quick video. I'm going to try to get done in under 2 minutes. The beauty about video is that you can go back and take a look and read over what we're going to go over. Some of it may seem like it's a little redundant, but I just want to make sure we cover some bases as we get started this school year. Attendance. We have great attendance, and I'd like to keep it going that direction. If you'll turn in a note for every absence, we understand kids are going to get sick. We don't want them up here when they're sick. But notes for every absences, excused versus unexcused, and signing out, only the nurse, note, or myself can sign them out. But make sure we're getting all of those notes and everything turned in on time. Hey, let me tell you how we did last year in our school state testing. 86% passing in algebra, biology. We're up 3 from last year. We're up 22% in English 1, 21% in English 2, and we're down a little bit in U.S. history, but still really great scores there. A lot to be proud of. Rogers High School was rated as a B this past year, and with some room for improvement, and we are identifying some of those areas as we speak. High school reminders. All courses do count. Each semester stands alone for our GPA, and students earn credits each semester. Senate Bill 179, or better known as David's Law. It's very specific to cyberbullying, and we must notify the parents within 3 business days of us finding out about cyberbullying. Also, it turns one single event into a DAP placement. So let's encourage with our kids to choose right and to do right and encourage each other, not tear each other down. Test corrections, when they're available, will be for a maximum of half the points missed on the original administration. Late work, make sure we're getting all of our late work in. If you do turn it in, it will be for a maximum of a 70. And it will be due the following week. Anything past that will be considered a 0. Advanced courses and UI eligibility. If your student is in an advanced course and they fall below a 70, there can be a waiver that needs to be filed. But they'll need to come see me and file that waiver. Class rank and GPA. For the senior class only, the only thing that changed last October when our board chose to change EIC local, which is local policy class rank, is it changed the time at which we take those scores. You can go back and read this if you'd like to. For the junior class, the sophomore class, and the freshman class, we limited the amount of dual credits that we would accept for advanced additional 10 points for the advanced courses. We limited it to English 3, 4, U.S. History, Economics, and Government, or any course that we offer here on campus as AP or pre-AP. Activities and clubs. One of the things that makes high school fun is being involved. Our kids are really involved. Get your kiddos involved. If you have any questions about being involved, please don't hesitate to give us a call here. Here is a slide about what all the activities that we have to offer on campus. Start investigating careers in colleges. It's never too early. I talked about this at freshman orientation, and it may seem a little bit too early, but do a lot of career explorations with your kiddos, college explorations as well. Look at funds, scholarships that are available, and start to calculate costs for your kiddos' goals. Ways to be successful in high school. Attend tutorials, get organized, avoid absences and tardies because there is no substitute for class time. Check for makeup work when absent, study for tests, retake tests when allowed. Complete homework. If a kid will turn in every piece of homework, they will graduate from high school. I fully believe that because our teachers will take the other steps necessary for your kiddo to do well in class. If your kiddo gets a poor grade, talk with teachers. Early and often. Communication. Early and often. Bring your books, materials to class, and have a set time to study each night. Don't cram. Stepping out on a limb here, we have a high school remind account. If you get out your phone right now, text this number, 81010, and text this message at A8KB4K, and cases, uppercase and lowercase does count. You will be on the high school remind account. I'll be using that this year as well as all the other ways. Next week's high school events, Monday, student holiday. Everybody's off. Enjoy yourself. And then we roll into Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ending up Friday night with volleyball and Bruce Villetti as a home game. Tomorrow night, we are at UMHB. We're playing Academy. Big game starting at 7 o'clock, so it's an early start. Thursday night, We want everybody out there to be a part of the huddle and root on the Eagles as they start this year. Have a great day, Rogers High School.